Setting up a sales territory plan doesn't have to be as hard as people make it out to be, and in this video I'm going to show you how. Hey, my name is Rob Spence, the Managing Director of Paragon Sales Solutions. If you've not seen any of my work before, you will know that I'm a massive sales nerd. If it's going to make more sales, if it's going to grow your business, if it's going to drive revenue, I love it. I'm a massive sales nerd, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video today. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about sales territories and how we can set those up and how we can manage our teams to understand those sales territories a little bit more. But before we do go on, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment below, and I'd love to know who is watching these videos. So, a sales territory plan, first of all, what on earth is it? Now, as always, and I'll say this a lot in my videos, this is a subject we can discuss for literally hours on end. Historically, a sales territory plan would look at the geographical location and sort of plan out where people and our sales teams will do the most amount of sales and where they're responsible for. If I go back to an old previous job I used to have, we had a sales rep who, would look over, I think it was like the West Midlands, and then we had another one that would look after sort of over to the east, so sort of Peterborough, Lincoln, Rutland, that kind of area. We were based in Leicester, so that kind of explains that outlook there. And of course, geographically, that would sort of normally be your general territory plan. Geographically, where are they situated? However, as we move on, I feel that territory plan can go deeper and a bit more advanced, because just because those people are based in a certain area doesn't make them the same customer as or a different customer to someone elsewhere, and that's where the problem can sometimes occur. So whenever you're looking and setting up a sales territory plan, you've got to look at the finer demographics of these businesses and the prospects you're trying to work with, and trying to find out who would be better suited to selling to those people. So for argument's sake, you can break that territory plan down into job sectors. Can you break your offering down to the businesses you sell to within this sector, within that sector, within the accountancy sector, the food industry, whatever it is? Can we break that down as a territory? We might want to look and break it down into turnover. If a customer's, if a prospect's turning over between 0 and £2 million, that could be one territory. If they're breaking, or if they're turning over, beg your pardon, between, just over 2 to 5 million, or maybe 5 million to 10 million. Each of those will have a different sales process and a different way of selling to. And that's why they're ideal for breaking down these sales territories, because you might have salespeople within your team who are better suited to the not the smaller fries, horrible thing to say, that the smaller businesses, the kind of more stereotypically the quicker sales cycle, and it can be in and out, bing bang bosh. But then you might have some great salespeople who are better suited at the longer sales cycles, the ones that need to wine and dine and entertain and build those relationships. It could even be those that are sort of, international salespeople. All of these, in my opinion, are separate territories that should be addressed and broken down. And for me, there's no wrong or right answer. You yourself as a sales manager, sales director, or business owner will understand your territories far better than I will at this stage, because I'm the one talking to you. You've not told me anything yet. So what I recommend following this video is look back and look at your customer base, build your territories that way, and then overview and summarize with your team who would be better suited to be making those sales and nurturing and supporting those customers. Of course, if you'd like more hands-on approach with looking at your sales territory, or would like a bit more of a deeper explanation, hit that contact button. It'll be somewhere around this page, up, down, left, right. So it'll be somewhere on here, or head on over to paragonsales.co.uk, book in for a free consultation, and let's see how we can work together to strategize this sales territory plan for you and push your sales forward into the year and years to come. As I always say, thank you so much for watching this video. They take so much time to put together, so if you've made it this far, I thank you. Drop a comment below and I'll send you a personal thanks. Until next time, all the best.